In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Automix playlist in Spotify Desktop. To begin, it's important to understand what Spotify's Automix feature actually does. Automix is designed to create smoother transitions between songs, so instead of one track ending and the next starting abruptly, Spotify attempts to blend compatible songs in a way that feels more like a continuous mix. On desktop, though, there isn't a separate option that lets you create something officially called an Automix playlist. Instead, what you do is turn on the Automix setting, and then Spotify applies that effect when you listen to your regular playlists. Start by opening the Spotify desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're inside the full desktop application, since that's where you'll find the setting we need. Once the app is open and you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click it to open the account menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to Spotify's main settings area where you can control playback behavior and other listening preferences. After you're in settings, scroll down until you find the playback section. This area includes features that affect how your music plays, so take your time and make sure you're in the right place. When you see the Automix option, turn it on. That's the key step. Once Automix is enabled, Spotify will automatically try to create smooth transitions between compatible songs in your playlists. This means you don't need to build a special playlist from scratch or use a separate tool. You simply play one of your existing playlists, and if the songs are supported, Spotify will handle the transition effect for you. A helpful thing to keep in mind is that Automix works best when songs naturally fit together, so the effect may be more noticeable with certain playlists than others. If you don't hear transitions on every song, that's normal. Spotify applies the feature only when tracks are compatible with that mixing style. And that's all there is to it. Open the Spotify desktop app, click your profile picture, go to Settings, scroll to Playback, and turn on Automix. After that, just start playing your playlist and let Spotify do the mixing for you.